We begin this lecture by classifying air conditioning systems based on the medium used to reject heat in the condenser. In an air-cooled system, the heat of the refrigerant flowing through the condenser is directly rejected into the atmospheric air as shown on the present slide. On the other hand, in a water-cooled system, the heat from the refrigerant flowing through the condenser is first transferred to water. The water is then pumped up to a cooling tower where the heat is transferred from the water to the atmospheric air. We next classify air conditioning systems based on the cooling medium that is used. In direct expansion systems or DX systems, heat flows directly in the evaporator from the air to be cooled to the evaporating refrigerant. Again, as shown in the schematic diagram of the present slide. On the other hand, in a chilled water or brine system, heat is exchanged in the evaporator between the refrigerant and water or brine. Consequently, the output of the evaporator is chilled water or chilled brine. Chilled water or brine is called the secondary refrigerant, while the refrigerant flowing through the condenser is called the primary refrigerant, for example R134A. The chilled water or brine is now circulated by pumps to the air handling units where it cools the supply air to the air conditioned space. It would by now be clear from this and the previous lecture that it is the compressor which drives the refrigeration cycle and hence is the key component of an AC system. In the next lecture, you will get an overview of the different types of compressors that are in use in AC systems. See you in the next lecture.